Let's have a look at matching bonus, the seventh way to get paid from the NewAge compensation plan. And you earn for helping your sales teams to get paid. So with the matching bonus, you earn a percent of all base commissions from the members you sponsor and the members they sponsor, and so on and so on, up to 7 generations. Well, what is matching bonus? Well, have you ever heard of residual income? Going gold qualifies you for your first 3 generations of matching bonus. Matching bonus gives you compensation equal to a percentage of the base commission earned by individuals that you have enrolled as brand partners and their subsequent enrollments up to 7 generations or levels deep. Matching bonus is doubled with 2x membership. Going gold. You can go gold by selling 200 points or more to 4 new customers or brand partners inside your first 8 weeks. Achieving gold status unlocks 3 generations of matching bonus for life. Generations 4 to 7 can be earned by increasing your weekly base commissions. So let's have a look at the table here. So you've got 2x membership in this example. With your first generation, you've gone gold. Your first generation of reps, you earn 15% of their base commissions. So if they earn $100 US, you get $15. Your second generation, unlocked with gold status, you get 10%. So if your second generation earn $100, you get $10. And your third generation, if they earn $100, you get $5. Let's take a look at an example. So let's look at these matching bonus calculations. On the right there, you can see, imagine that this is your business. The first line, you can see there is $5,000, so $2,000 plus $3,000 in base commission earnings. You would get 15% of that because that's your generation 1. Generation 2 is the next line down, so there's $3,000 there in base commissions paid to your team. You get 10% of that, so it's $300. The next line down you can see is $2,500. You get 5% of that, which is $125. This is how matching bonus works. It calculates down through the generations of your tree. So a recap on matching bonus. You get paid for helping your team members grow their paycheck. There are no limits to the amount of matching bonus you can earn. And auto compression ensures the highest possible payout. That means if you've got a rep in your business who's currently inactive and not earning commissions, then they get removed from that generation and somebody else moves up into that spot.